Yo, I'm looking at it right now. Where you at? Yeah.
It's there?
Bro, it's kind of like a Build-A-Bear situation, but I'm gonna need some backup, so you gotta pull through. Hey, pull through, bro. Alright. Y'all don't know how long I've been waiting for this pressure washer to come through, and it is finally here. And as soon as my boy pulls up, we're gonna immediately get to work and start building this thing. Now, in this video, I will be breaking it down for y'all. That's why I asked for some help, because I don't know too much about pressure washers, and if there's things I gotta build in there, whatever it might be, I got some help from somebody that does know how to do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and detail everything, and we're gonna use it on my car as an example to see if this thing's actually worth buying. And just to be clear, I did buy this from Amazon, so I don't know. When it comes to Amazon, I usually have some issues, but in my opinion, from other people's videos that I've watched, pressure washers in general are a very good thing to invest in, because it will help you in the long run. It's nothing that's gonna be a waste of money, in my opinion. It all just depends on the brand when it comes to pressure washers. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull my car out right now and show y'all what the car's looking like, because it is extremely dirty right now, and I've waited a whole 2 weeks for this thing to pull up, and this better pay off. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this cold start going for y'all. This is 2 weeks of not washing your car. Look at all that. This is so bad. This is the hood, man. It is extremely dirty. Yeah, this is really bad. What's up, dog? Chilling.
How you doing?
I'm chilling, bro.
I'm chilling.
You good?
Chilling.
This is Alex, aka Doughboy. This is it, bro.
I bet.
This is it.
A little unboxing here. I'm trying to see what we got going on here. I'm trying to see.
Dang, look at that.
I saw one of these big blocks. I was like, oh, that's like RV shit. Or that's
Bro,
RV type stuff.
this is the real deal, man. Yeah.
You're talking about the nozzles? For
Nozzles.
So I'm saying you got one for soap.
Oh.
Two on the side. You got one for a wider range. You got one for a tighter range. It's got all the spray patterns on.
I did not know. Okay, so that's not what we're trying to use.
This is
That's
take
deadly.
off some paint.
Yeah.
This and this is probably what we're gonna be using.
Right. It's not that big, like
Nah.
literally up to my waist.
Really? It's got a little dial here. I wonder what that's for. Oh,
Nah.
they're like on and then off.
Yeah,
or
it
off
said
and
in
on.
there that it was switching sides or something, like within these two, something like that. I'm gonna go grab my hose, bro. Okay, yeah, so this does go in the front, right here. All right.
It seemed pretty nice.
Did it?
Oh yeah.
Do it again, bro. I want to hear that thing.
Like it's down
Yeah.
and then the whole thing kind of.
Ooh, I like that.
You know?
That's exactly what I was looking for. Gosh.
All the stress and problems just wash away, right?
And you can get pretty close with this thing, like.
Yeah, that's on the straight
not
rinse,
that-
and that's not even the most powerful nozzle
Nah.
you got either. Honestly, to be honest with you, I'm not even gonna lie. That electric power washer is like 80 times better than mine already. Cause you know why?
Why?
We're sitting in here having a conversation while we're washing the car. Dude, no, I'm not even playing. Give me a good clean pass of the roof with all that dirt on it. Oh yeah, I'm liking that. Should we give it to him, Josh?
I don't think so.
I don't think they're ready.
I want to get that right there.
Oh
Watch
man,
this.
get
Ready?
it. Get it. Oh my goodness. Knowing you with how OCD you are, and now that you have your own pressure washer, I swear I'm never gonna see this car dirty again.
Yep.
Bro, knowing you, this thing's gonna be shining every day. All right, guys, so I just pulled the tank off of the power washer. We've got one off, and we're about to throw some soap in there. We're about to let you know what we're using.
Right here. This is what we're using. $3. It's cheap.
Rain-X car wash concentrate.
Yep. Foaming car wash concentrate from Walmart. $3.
We've got the soap filled up on the left, so we're gonna take the dial. I'm gonna throw it over here to the left, and we're gonna see what that does. I'm pretty sure that'll engage the soap. Try now.
All right.
And give it a second to like get through there and mix.
Yeah. Nope.
I'll try it. Maybe it's on.
All right. So the soap wasn't coming out as much as we thought it would, but we figured out what the issue was while the soap wasn't actually pulling. There's actually a cap that you gotta pull off, just like that, and then put that back in
I
there.
want to give them a good view of that cap.
This is what the cap looks like. It's on both of them. It's on here and here, so make sure you pull these off. You probably won't need these, I'm guessing.
I'm guessing
you can just
not.
toss these, yeah. All right, so once you pull the caps, it should start looking like this. And you also gotta turn the dial on one side. And then, here we go. What'd you do?
Okay, so everybody, not only do you need to pull the corks out of the lines that actually run into the tab, but on the back of here, you got the line that connects both of these. You got a T right here and you got a T right here that connects the tanks. You got to run this line that runs out of the tanks, and you got to run it into the back of this feed right here. There's a little nipple that the line goes on to, and that's what pulls the soap from the well, no, that's what they're called.
We got soap. It's not a foam gun, but it works.
Yes, sir,
And
it does.
It's not even that aggressive, which is not that big of a deal. All right, so we just got done washing the car. What is going on here, bro?
I can't freaking get
Is it not coming off?
I can't get it off.
What's your rate?
I'll give her a 6.5.
6.5.
Possibly.
I'd have to agree with that. I don't think it gives enough soap on the car, but I will. But at least y'all know this, because I haven't seen a review on this specific power washer, so at least now you know. If you want more soap, make sure y'all go grab a foam gun. You should be able to attach it to it, which I'll be buying here pretty soon.
If I do say so myself, I do not think that it is the best design to have the hose for the actual spout coming out the back, and then the actual connection of the garden hose in the front,
Yeah.
and the electrical cord off the side. because as soon as you do one motion sideways like that, all of your cords are going that way, and then you're getting all tangled up if you have to come back the other way and all that.
That's exactly what I was dealing with. All right, this is gonna conclude our video for today, but we set a 6.5 out of 10. But yeah, man, make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell them what to do, bro. Tell them.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Like, comment, share, subscribe,
Stay
bro.
healthy.
I will be, yeah, stay healthy, man.
Watch
Hopefully,
out for that corona.
I'm hoping all of y'all staying safe during this corona stuff. Yep. Nobody likes that. Oh, I didn't even end up drying the car, but it got really hot. But I'm gonna hose it down again. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. If you got questions, I'm more than happy to answer those in the comments down below. But yeah, I'll catch you on the next video, man. Peace out.